Insect's name. Insect means कीट या कीड़ा. Today we will learn insect's name means कीड़ों के नाम. Butterfly. It is a butterfly. Honeybee. It is a honeybee. Snail. It is a snail. Ladybug. It is a ladybug. Ant. It is an ant. Mosquito. It is a mosquito. Grasshopper. It is a grasshopper. Housefly. It is a housefly. Spider. It is a spider. Caterpillar. It is a caterpillar. Firefly. It is a firefly. Lice. These are lice. Cockroach. It is a cockroach. Termite. It is a termite. Moth. It is a moth. Centipede. It is a centipede. Dragonfly. It is a dragonfly. Cricket. It is a cricket. Beetle. It is a beetle. Ticks. These are ticks. Wasp. It is a wasp. Please like, share and subscribe my channel.